So, welcome to Shambani Farm. Today is the 7th of March 2019. One of the key activities that we're doing here today at Shambani Farm was to tag the new kids that were born in January and February to make sure that each kid has got a tag. We have done just that. We just finished the exercise. It's unfortunate that I couldn't be able to record at the same time when I was tagging them because I was doing it myself and I didn't have ability to do it while recording at the same time, given that I'm using a mobile phone. But that's the update here at the farm. We are just done with tagging the kids. We have tagged them according to their date of birth. Meaning one which is ahead of the other in terms of the date of birth would actually have a lower number than the other. So just in that sense, it helps us to tell between two animals which is older than the other in terms of days, at least in that aspect. So really excited. There are two kids that we didn't tag. This particular one here is too small. It's not even a week old. And another black one that I can't see here for now. Yeah, this one over here. Again, it's also too small. We couldn't tag because the ears are a little bit too small. But otherwise, the rest, all of them, we have tagged them, and they're already looking comfortable, no problems whatsoever. Of course, you might be a little bit scared on the first time when you're tagging them because they'll make a little bit of some noise, you know, but after a few minutes they get used to it. Here is Lamini coming to greet me. He's wondering what's happening here. He usually likes people, so I'm not shocked if he comes over here to say hi. So yeah, that's it from Shambani Farm today, the 7th of March 2019, and I just want to thank you all for your support, for subscribing to our channel, the YouTube and Facebook channels. Really, it's through your support that we're able to continue to do what we're doing. I hope the video that I'm sharing is informative enough. You get to be inspired, to learn a few things or a few tricks. So really thank you to you all our fans. Maybe if I just speak about why it's important to ear tag your animals, your goats. The reason why we ear tag them is so that we can keep the records well. So some of the records that we keep, particularly for the kids, is what was the birth weight of the kid. We look at who is the mother, who is the father, that is, who is the dam and the sire of the kid. We look at what breed is this kid. We record the growth rate, observing the movement between day 1 and 1 month old, and also until the weaning stage when they are 3 months old. We also record health related records. For example, we record when an animal fell sick and what medication we gave to that animal. Was it an injection? Was it drenching? Whatever it is, we keep record of that. We also record the response, whether that medicine performed what we expected to perform in that particular animal. All that is information that helps us to improve the farm. It helps us to know what exactly is happening here at the farm. So I'll tell you, there's one of them here that was not well a few days ago, and that's this kid over here number 22, this one here. You can see she's still a little bit skinnish. You can see some ribs a bit there. This kid had I believe worms, so we dewormed him. We dewormed her, drenching her, and now she's all well. So that's the importance of keeping records. You get to know what kind of problems a particular animal suffers, and what kind of medication works best for them. So really excited about the program here. I really thank you once again. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, the YouTube and the Facebook page, kindly proceed to do so. Like our videos, share with your friends and colleagues, and I hope you get inspired. Cheers.